How to use Zelle with US Bank app. First of all, open the US Bank mobile app on your device and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for a smooth experience. Inside the app, tap on Zelle section from the bottom bar, then select Send Money. If you are already enrolled with Zelle through US Bank, you can skip the enrollment steps and go straight to sending, requesting, or splitting payments. To send money, choose a recipient by entering their name, phone number, or email. Enter the amount, select the account you want to use for the payment, add an optional note, and set a scheduled date if needed. As long as your account has sufficient funds, the transaction will go through successfully. You can also use the request or split features to manage payments with friends, family, or colleagues. Following these steps, you will be able to use Zelle efficiently with your US Bank app. Now you know how to use Zelle with the US Bank app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.